Welcome to the workshop. Tools are ready to play. We're gonna build something great, starting here today. Piece by piece we go now.
Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and what I'd hope to be a regular update video. So a few updates from the workshop. Now, at the minute, you can probably see that it's chaos here at the moment. Workbench is full of stuff, and primarily because I am reorganizing how the workshop is. You may remember got a new laser cutter. If you haven't seen that, check out the videos below, or I'll pop it up in the corner here, and basically been rearranging that section of the workshop, just primarily the worktops at the moment. Because the laser cutter didn't fit exactly where I was originally going to put it, I've moved it into the corner, which meant I had to move the 3D printers around, and or basically that entire corner. But I think that works quite well now. So that brings me on to this section. You'll notice that the TV has disappeared from the wall, and that's primarily because I'm thinking adding extra shelving up here. So some of the models that I've done, completed, etc., hopefully they can actually be displayed on this wall, just to give a little bit of a better background, and potentially also rearrange some of the tool storage I've got there as well. In lieu of TV, I do have a projector screen now, and you might have seen that on a previous video. I might still add a small monitor on here, just to show a couple of other bits when I do the intro videos, just depending on how interesting this background becomes when I've finished it. If you want to see how this progresses, I'll probably do that just on a members stream or a members only video. So do check out the join button below. It will cost you a small monthly fee, but there is some exclusive videos there and some early access as well. So on from that, I already have some shelving up here, which I'll just spin the camera around and show you. You would have seen some of this in previous videos anyway. And if I just tilt the camera up, you can see got the RC cars and things up there as well, which some of those will probably disappear just because I think it's going to be better to reuse that space a little bit better. On the workbench currently, we have the start of a Pontiac Trans Am. This is the plastic Revel kit. And again, I've just put a video out for that one, showing the unboxing and what's actually in there. But I have also made a small start in doing some painting and assembling. So that's just had a light coat of black on it. And I've started the assembly of the engine. So that's a brand new build for the channel. There's a brand new partwork coming to the channel, and that'll happen hopefully next week. And that is the Megazord. So check that one out. With the other partworks that are currently in progress, we've got the 66 Batmobile. Got the next pack for that one, and that I believe we're only getting pretty much a wheel and a few engine detail pieces. With the Nissan Skyline, Brian's Nissan Skyline from the Fast and Furious, we've got some new dashboard parts of that one. So that is going to be pretty much starting with the interior now. And again, that will be coming up soon as well. Another update, I've got my TRX4 here. I've got a new motor for that one. So I've got a video for that one as well. Put a new Hobbywings motor in there with a new ESC. So that will be coming up soon as well. Moving on further from that, you've seen some of the videos of the Model Association. I've got a couple more of those coming up soon for the hints and tips of model making. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check those out as well. I think that's everything for the workshop update. So if you want to see any of those projects that are coming up, do make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding the bell for notifications. That way you know when I release the next video. Again, as I said earlier, subscribing is absolutely free, but there is also that join button, which will give you some exclusive access for behind the scenes and some early access to videos. But there is a small monthly fee with that one. If you did like this video, please remember to hit the like button below and give it a massive thumbs up. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.